You want to see a stock that can make you a lot of money. Make sure you stay tuned until the very end so you do not miss out on these very hot plays. 2 days ago, I called out a 0.003 penny stock. I said it would easily hit 0.005 to 1 cent. What happened? It went up 70% or 80% in the last 2 days, now trading at 0.0056. Yesterday, it closed up 54%. Today is currently up 20%, and it's only 11 o'clock. Still a few hours left in the trading day. They just announced yesterday that they plan to uplist one of their subsidiaries to the NASDAQ or the New York Stock Exchange with a planned $10 million IPO, which is an initial public offering, and funding for this will have no dilution to their shareholders, which is very big. Upon the effectiveness of the IPO and listing on the national exchange, this subsidiary of this company plans to acquire a 48-state authorized compounding pharmacy located in West Palm Beach, Florida, that does around $10 million revenue. This will serve as the backbone and fulfillment center for the subsidiary, creating a national platform. As you can see right here, 2 days ago, I called this play at 0.003. It is now trading at 0.0051. Actually, was just trading at 0.0055, up 20%, but now it is currently up 10% still with a lot of hours left in the trading day. I own a lot of shares of this company because I believe that this one can easily hit 0.005 to 1 cent in the short to medium term. Stock is currently trading at 0.0033. I have a lot of shares of this company, millions of shares of this company as of right now. I called it out right here at 0.0033, currently trading at 0.0051. Me, it is still showing the pink yield sign, but apparently for some people this has already been resolved. They actually submitted the necessary filings to get this back to pink current, and they also made a PR or announcement about this being fixed as well. So this is something we shouldn't really have to worry about. Keep in mind, this 0.005 stock plans to do at least $16 million, maybe even surpass that in revenue for 2023. So if you want to follow me or message me or contact me in any way on Twitter, you can follow me at 6K_investor right here. Yesterday, I tweeted out EMGE closed at the high of the day, up 54%, with over 20 million plus in volume. Volume was way up, way higher than usual. The highest volume we've seen since earlier in the year. And I did say right here, it did look positive for tomorrow because all the technicals did show that, we'd have continued momentum for today, and we did. So looking at the chart, support at 0.003. We had some resistance around 0.0035. It just broke past the 100-day EMA for the first time since earlier in the year. It was really key, and we had a very important resistance level at 0.0035. And if we broke past this and went past it, we should have even more momentum, which we did. And not only that, but we did bounce off of a double bottom, which is a bullish signal. So we did break the resistance here. So with this very big news, it did put us in a new level. We are in an uptrend right now. We could see a pullback next week, but it is also very possible that we do go up another 50 to 100% as well. And their share structure is still looking pretty good, and they're aggressively growing their revenue through acquisitions and everything like that. But we have some very incredible news come out. Emergent Health, this is ticker EMGE, to spin out subsidiary PharmaZoo to its shareholders pursuant to an IPO underwritten by a nationally recognized investment banking firm. So EMGE is a curator, developer, and marketer of products in the regenerative health space, which is a very high growing market. They announced today that it has executed a term sheet for a firm committed underwriting with a nationally recognized investment banking firm for $10 million with respect to planned corporate financing transactions, including the private placement of securities, pre-IPO financing, and the planned $10 million initial public offering of emergent subsidiary PharmaZoo. Now, PharmaZoo is doing very big things, and this will be applied for listing on the NASDAQ or New York Stock Exchange with no dilution to the emergent shareholders. PharmaZoo is a pure play e-commerce products and service provider focused on the pet community, pet pharmacy, and pet wellness using influencers in their content, including pet pharmacy, vet telehealth, and pet wellness businesses. Upon the effectiveness, this is very big right here. Make sure you listen very closely. Upon the effectiveness of the IPO and listing on a national exchange, PharmaZoo plans to acquire a 48-state authorized compounding pharmacy located in West Palm Beach, Florida, doing approximately $10 million in revenue each year, which will serve as the backbone and fulfillment center for PharmaZoo, creating a national platform throughout the U.S. Emergent plans to distribute to its shareholders pro rata the shares of PharmaZoo as a dividend when a record date is set. The raise of capital will be used for expanding PharmaZoo's business, product offerings, as well for acquisitions. Jim Morrison, former L'Oreal president, L'Oreal was just around a $180 billion company. Jim Morrison, the ex-president of this company. Now Jim Morrison is the CEO of this 0.005 penny stock transaction will start a new exciting chapter for PharmaZoo while maximizing the value to Emergent shareholders. Let me know in the comments what you think about this play. We have completely banked off of this play. You put notifications on. You don't want to miss out. Make sure you subscribe, like the video. Really appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you on the next video.